Battlelog for BF4, what we've done is really try to expand the service to be super integral to the game experience itself. More than something just the PC gamers can enjoy.
People have their smartphones, they have their tablets, they have their computers next to them while they're playing. And we want to create a Battlefield where you can incorporate all these devices in the experience.
For example, when you're going home on the bus after work, you can't wait to get home and play. You go in, you check out the stats for yesterday, you configure a loadout based on that, you find the server you want to play on or see what your friends are playing, and as you get home, you just start it up, you click a button and you're basically in there ready to go.
You can actually use these devices and connect them to the game client while you're playing. And you can actually use your tablet as a second screen. And you can use that as a mini-map in-game so you can see what your squad members are doing. And you can set attack points on that tablet, which will reflect in real time back to the game.
And maybe you just died, you're waiting a few seconds for the kill screen to disappear. While you do that, you can go to the loadout on the tablet, on the laptop, on the mobile, change new weapons, set it up with new accessories.
Once you click that gun and press save, that's going to get instantly reflected to the game.
So if you want to play on a new server, for example, you don't need to quit the game first. You can just find a server using the server browser, or maybe just find a friend who's already playing, click a button, and then you will instantly join that server on your console. Another cool feature we're now introducing with Battlelog is something we call missions. These are small challenges that you can create for you and your friends. For example, you can set it up and say, I want to see who's actually the best tank destroyer among my friends. And you will always get notified when someone takes the lead. So that means you can instantly boot up the game and try to claim that #1 spot yourself.
So we're introducing something we call geo leaderboards. So as a player, I can compete to be the best tank driver in Stockholm, in Sweden, in Europe, or in the whole world. And that's going to be a great way both to compete and rank up, but also get to know new friends on the battlefield.
There's no doubt that the new technology with next generation platforms has allowed us to do a lot more.
With Battlelog, we'll get a deeper, a richer Battlefield 4 experience.